Hi guys! In this video, you're gonna learn how to use Hootsuite for social media. Well, Hootsuite is a popular social media management tool that allows you to manage multiple social media accounts from a single dashboard. Here are some steps to use Hootsuite for social media. First, create a Hootsuite account. Sign up for a Hootsuite account and choose a plan that suits your needs. So click here start for 30-day trial and choose for a personal or a team account for Hootsuite. If you choose a it's just for me plan, it's only one users but 10 social accounts. But if you have chose a team, it's a 3 users, 20 social accounts on Hootsuite. Well, of course, Hootsuite offers a free plan as well as paid plans with additional features. So choose what's best for you. Then connect your social media accounts. Connect all your social media accounts to Hootsuite. Hootsuite supports all major social media platforms including Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, and YouTube. Create streams. Once you've connected your social media accounts, create streams for each account. Streams allows you to see all your social media activity in one place. Schedule posts. Schedule your social media post in advance using Hootsuite's scheduling tool. You can create and schedule posts for multiple social media platforms at once. Monitor mention and messages. Use Hootsuite to monitor mentions and messages across all your social media accounts. You can respond to messages and engage with your audience directly from Hootsuite dashboard. And last, analyze your social media performance. Well, Hootsuite analytics tool to track your social media performance. You can measure the success of your post and track engagement metrics such as likes, shares, and comments. Overall, Hootsuite is a powerful social media management tool that can help you save time and streamline your social media activity. With Hootsuite, you can manage all your social media accounts from single dashboard, schedule posts in advance and engage with your audience and track your performance. But there are more features Hootsuite will offer for you. Example, social listening. Hootsuite allows you to monitor social media conversations in real time. You can track specific keywords, hashtags, and mention across multiple social media platforms. When it comes to team collaboration, if you work with a team, Hootsuite allows you to collaborate with your team members by assigning tasks, sharing social media streams, and managing permissions. When it comes to content curation, Hootsuite's content curation feature allows you to discover and share relevant content with your audience. You can search for content based on keywords, topics, and hashtags. Also, there's a ad management on Hootsuite. Yes, Hootsuite's ad management feature allows you to create, manage, and optimize social media ads. You can run ads on Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn directly from the Hootsuite dashboard. Also, Hootsuite has a mobile app. Yes, Hootsuite has a mobile app that allows you to manage your social media accounts on the go. You can schedule posts, monitor conversation, and track your performance from your smartphone. And it has a integration with other tools. Hootsuite integrates with other tools such as Google Analytics, Zendesk, and Salesforce, allowing you to streamline your social media management and track your social media ROI. Hootsuite offers a wide range of features that can help you manage your social media accounts more efficiently and effectivity. From social listening to content curation to ad management, Hootsuite has everything you need to succeed on social media. And there are more advantages on getting this Hootsuite application. It saves time. Yes, Hootsuite allows you to manage multiple social media accounts from a single dashboard. That's why it's saving your time and effort. It increases efficiency. With Hootsuite, you can schedule posts in advance, monitor conversations, and track your performance all in one place, which increases your efficiency and productivity. Enhances collaboration. If you work with a team, Hootsuite's collaboration feature allow you to work together more efficiently or effectively, share social media streams and manage permission, and improve engagement. Hootsuite's social listening feature allows you to monitor conversations and engage with your audience in real time, which can help you build relationship and increase engagement. It provides analytics. Yes, Hootsuite's analytics tools allows you to track your social media performance, and it's make it easy for you. And last, it has a streamlines and ad management. Hootsuite management feature allows you to create and manage social media ads directly. It is a true, powerful social media management tool that can help you save time, increase efficiency, improve engagement, and measure your social media performance. That's why Hootsuite is the best when it comes to its performance. And that's how to use Hootsuite for social media. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial.